I'm going to paint the Shaker, so let's go. Ho 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 ho, oh boy oh boy. We're gonna do some rejuvenation on this bad boy right here. This thing comes off with a couple 10mm bolts on the side, on each side. And then it just kind of pops off with these like little suction cup things. Mine's had it, it's beat. Then you've got a couple more, they're like 11 or 10mm, one of them. I'm gonna make a little cocktail using some water here to clean this guy up. Also gonna use some alcohol, some acetone, some C4, and some brake cleaner. And if I'm lucky, it won't explode. If it does, well, I've had worse happen. You definitely want to remove this rubber piece that's sandwiched between the two before painting it. I watched a YouTube video where this guy just painted the whole thing and it looked like total dog shit, so don't do that. Separate it. And then here we go. We're gonna use the brake cleaner. Oh yeah. I actually ordered a can of spray paint for this specific purpose from Summit, and when I got it in the mail, it was broken. And no, I did not break it myself. It came like this in the box, so I've just been rubbing it on like a stain. I eventually give up and I use caliper paint. At this point, I just really wanted to get it painted. For this part, I use this stuff called black stuff. It's like a temporary solution. It's kind of like Armor All with dye in it. It's a total mess, so I wear gloves. But it really, it's kind of magical. And here it is. It looks so good, doesn't it? It was really chilly outside. I got the shaker scoop off and I cleaned it and I painted it. It has to dry now, so there's nothing really much left for me to do but to park my car and go wash my hands. I can't wrap in this weather. It's just too freezing. The wrap just won't work, so it is what it is. Next day, I get to install the shaker back onto the car. It's all painted. Tomorrow's gonna be a storm, so I gotta get this done. Anyone notice anything missing from this assembly? Well, I sure didn't at the time. lo and behold, I forgot the rubber sandwich piece. I'm stupid. I'm an idiot. Take it back off. Let's go. This is what I forgot. It forgot me, actually. It forgot me. Here you have it, the before. Oh my gosh, what a piece of crud. And with $8? Oh. Well, I think it's great. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.